That right there? Yeah. We harvested some earlier this morning. It's our first harvest of these corn. And peel it back, show them what we working with, baby. It's our first harvest. These are about 2 months now. Look at that. These supposed to be sweet corn, silver corn. What's this?
Silver Queen.
Silver Queen? Okay.
That one right there.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to have to go over there.
Yep. Check it out. Pull it off like that. Peel back the husk. And it's all kernels. I goddamn bug got mine.
I'm going to get this
one. That's a total of 4. So it's been about 2 months. So our first harvest of corn, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. We'll let you know what it's hitting for in a minute. Silver Queen. We harvested the corn. And I didn't put no salt, pepper on here.
The tendon had stress and the ligament.
Well, Jesus Christ.
The tendon still is swollen.
Oh my God.
And the surrounding, where
it's so sweet, so wonderful, so tasty, so tender, so beautiful.
So we have to treat it.
Grow your own. Feed your family. Learn how to do this for yourself. Hip Hop Rodriguez fan, agriculture. Yo, that corn, no chemicals, no additives, no pesticides. Just as good as anything you would ever buy or purchase. Grown out the house in Baltimore City. City living, city gardening, you dig.